Welcome to the Ajax, Ontario, Canada store. Thrift store. Let's have a look. Well, there we have a Sony turntable. Sony make good stuff. They do make good stuff. I like Sony. Sony's always up there in the decent stuff. Not the best, but it's not. I don't think this is that old. It's not. It's not vintage, but there's something about this that triggered me to make this video, and there it is. You see the belt hanging out of the side? Oh, someone's turned it off mid-cycle as well, I think. Yeah, there's not many controls on this, just basically on and off and speed. Well, it says size. So let's repair this while we're at the store. So we take the mat off. There we go, $100 I think to buy a new one. Take the turntable out, and hopefully this is the right belt for it. Let's have a look. It's wow, it's a perfect fit. Yep, it's obviously the correct belt. So we just pull a little bit of the belt out, connect it to the motor, and voila, we should have, yep, a working turntable. There you go. 15 bucks though. It's not bad. It's a big discount from the 100. Let's go and plug it in. Oh my gosh, look at all the stuff people have left behind. Why don't people take the stuff back? Oh, someone's left a whole bag of money there. Fake money. Yes, looks extremely fake too. Okay, let's test our in-store repair. I know it's not a great, huge, massive repair, but some people might not know to do that, and you might not sell. Oh yes, there we go. Perfect. Comes on straight away when I plugged it in, because it's in mid-cycle, obviously. So let's turn it on. Yep. Oh, the arm goes over automatically. I'm not going to let it go down on the rubber this time. That's where it fell before. Yeah. Turn it off. Let it do its full cycle. Clip the arm back on, and yeah, there's the model number down here if you want to see it. The LX300. Oh, it's a USB. Oh, I never noticed that. Yeah, USB. So it's got a USB plug. So you plug it into. Oh yeah. That's what the advert was. So you plug it into your PC, and I guess you could record or download your albums onto your PC, and then maybe burn them to a disc or something, or to a disc and play them in your car. Clever. Good. Would you buy it though? That's the question.